Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. Now, I received these as a Christmas gift, and I figured I would share them today to show you kind of what they are and what they do. So, what are these little devices? Well, these are toothpaste squeezer holders. And these are supposed to be an improvement over the old key type tube squeezers, where you kind of put a key device at the end of your toothpaste tube. You roll it up so you can kind of squeeze up the toothpaste to the top, and so you don't waste any toothpaste in the roll, and so you don't have to kind of force it out with your fingers. But the problem with these old keys were they tended to unravel when you were done twisting up the tube. And these new devices are meant to solve that problem. So this device also has kind of a key that helps roll up the toothpaste tube. But the key actually comes out of the holder. And there is a little spring mounted plate that sort of holds the rolled up tube in place so it doesn't unravel like the old key device does. So let's go ahead and try this thing out. Now, I did collect a variety of toothpaste tubes, some of them almost empty, some of them partially filled, various types, Colgate, some Toms here, even a peppermint one with more of a stiffer type of a tube. So we'll go ahead and try these things out and see how they work. So we'll start with an almost empty Colgate tube. So we grab one of the holders, pull out the key, and I'm kind of used to kind of folding up the end of the tube into the key to kind of help the key hold a little bit firmer. So we'll go ahead and do that here. And then go ahead and insert it into the holder itself. And then just all you have to do is twist the key, and hopefully the toothpaste in the roll kind of squeezes up to the top. You can kind of see how it's rolling around the key, and that little spring plate at the bottom is sort of holding the wound up portion in place. So it does look like it's actually kind of squeezing up the toothpaste. We'll go ahead and open it up and see if we can get any toothpaste out. Now there's almost nothing in this tube, and it looks like the holder is kind of at the end of its capabilities. So there is some toothpaste in there, but it's just not squeezing it out. So maybe we just kind of pull it out, and I think this has kind of been an issue with the traditional keys as well. At the very end, it doesn't really squeeze up enough toothpaste, but you could kind of, it does squeeze it up to the top, so you can kind of use your fingers to get the last little bits out. So next, let's try another toothpaste tube with a little more toothpaste in. This may be a better test for the device. First, we'll go ahead and install the key. Put it into the holder. And then just start twisting. And you can kind of see there the toothpaste is being squeezed up again. Seems to be a little bit more toothpaste in this particular holder. I'm kind of at the end of how much I could twist. You could see it all raveled in there. We'll go ahead and pop the top off. And now this one should work. So you just kind of squeeze the top and you'll start seeing some toothpaste kind of squeeze out. And there you do. You have some toothpaste there. And if I had a toothbrush, I'd be able to use it and brush my teeth effectively. And as you can see, the key and the holder kind of holds the rolled up toothpaste tube in place. It does not unravel. So let's go ahead and take this tube out and see how well it actually squeezed up the toothpaste. It looks like it squeezed it up pretty tightly. There doesn't look like there's much residuals left in the portion that kind of squeezed around the key there. You can see, and actually I'm pretty happy with this. You really don't waste a lot of toothpaste with this device. So let's try another roll here. Now this one's kind of a peppermint toothpaste, but it has more of a metallic uh, exterior. It's not just a plastic, so it may roll up a little bit differently. Actually, in this case, I'm going to insert the key after I put the end of the roll in the holder and see if this will work effectively, if it'll kind of grab onto the end there and hold onto it. And it actually looks like it did just grab it. I didn't actually have to fold over the end. And so it is working. You're kind of seeing the toothpaste squeeze up. It seems to be working just like the Colgate tube, and kind of ended the amount I could squeeze up. We'll go ahead and take off the top of it and show you that it will actually squeeze up some of the toothpaste just with the key, and yes indeed it does. So it works very well with the different type of tube. And there you have it. That is the toothpaste squeezer holder, and it seems to work very well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.